Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's things. These are things that make me smile, and I am back with Mama today. She has not been in a video in a really long time, but yesterday on the 12th, I went to the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale, and then I went over to Bath & Body Works, and I have an epic Christmas candle haul. It's a pretty large haul actually for you guys, and Mama loves to smell all the candles, so she kind of wanted to be in the video today. I actually had made all the videos with Mama on my account private, but I have been talking to a lot of really supportive people and her doctors, and they told me it's no big deal. So I am going to relist those for everybody to go ahead and see again. And we are moving forward. Had some really good conversations today, difficult, but really good conversations today with her care team, a member of her care team. And I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. And you're doing good, huh?
Yes.
You're doing good. So let's jump on into today's video. So I have two huge bags sitting on the floor with me. This was easiest for Mama to be in the video with me. She likes sitting in her chair. And I'm just gonna reach in and start grabbing all of them. So the first candle that I got, this is Sugared Snickerdoodle. So you can smell this one, Mama. You can hold it. You want to hold it?
No, it smells good.
It does smell good. What does it smell like? Cookies?
Yeah.
It does smell like cookies. So when I walked in to Bath & Body Works yesterday afternoon, I went straight for the 75% off table, and I saw two candles sitting there. Well, actually I saw three. So two of them were a duplicate, and then there was a singleton that was just a totally different one. So I grabbed the singleton, and then I grabbed one of the pair of candles that were the same. This was not it, but the story goes, I walked up and I was talking to Matt. Hi, Matt. I think he kind of watches my videos. I was talking to Matt and Sarah, and they had all these boxes lined up behind the register, and I was like, do you guys have any more candles? Because I really need candles. I don't have any. I am so low. We are so low on candles, Mama. And he's like, yeah, Jen, I gotcha. And Matt was amazing and sold me so many candles. So one of them that he had in one of the boxes was, again, the Sugared Snickerdoodle. And I did not get this last year. I don't know why, but I never picked it up. This is from White Barn, and it is warm spice, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. So I'm really excited to have this one. And it does, it smells like cookies. So that is the first Christmas candle that Matt found for me. And then another candle, okay guys, Fireside. This is I think this is the singleton that was sitting on the 75% off table, and I grabbed it. And this one is Smoked Cedar, Fresh Clove Bud, and Warm Embers. It's very masculine, and I mostly pick up that clove and ember. You want to smell that one, Mama?
Yeah, that's a man's one.
It is a man's one. Yes, Mom, you're right. It smells like a man, doesn't it? So that was one of the candles. Robert might like that one. Let's see what's another candle that I picked up. Okay, so this one is Summer. And this one, because he was like, how many candles do you want? And I'm like, I don't have any. I think I have two summer candles. This one is Sun-Kissed Citrus, Orange Blossom, and Coconut Husk. And to me, I guess I mostly pick up a flower. I guess that's the Orange Blossom. And then it just smells clean to me. It's very light. What do you think about this one?
Yeah,
can you smell it?
Yeah.
A little bit?
I can smell it some.
Yeah, so I'm excited to have a summer candle for us. Then Okay, so Matt was like, I want that one. I was like, I'm gonna buy it. So I never got this one either at Christmas time, and this is Crunchy English Toffee. This one is sweet brown sugar, crunchy toffee, and a dash of vanilla extract. And it is strong. This one smells good. It smells like candy. It smells like Christmas candy.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like going to the Christmas parties and like everyone was making treats, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This one smells really good. So, I have one, guys. And I know this is a very like sought after candle, so I was so shocked when he pulled this out. It's kind of cool. I'm really excited about having this in our collection. So that is 4 candles so far, guys, and we are not done. Okay, so this next candle was the one where it was still on the 75% off table. There were 2 of them. I grabbed one and I left one behind in case the other customers wanted one. But this one is Top Shelf Elf. I did not get this at Christmas time either. But this one is billions of toys in just 1 year. Yes, sometimes even elves need a little boost of energy. It's really good. It smells light, kind of fruity. I know it's supposed to be like resemble like an energy drink, but it's really pretty. I like this one too. What do you think?
Yeah.
Kind of fruity. It is fruity. So that is 5 candles so far. So I'm still in the first bag. So next I have body care items for you guys. So there was the email exclusive for $4.95 for the Love Always Wins. So I picked up another mist because you guys know I already went through half of my bottle. So I did grab another one. I did grab the body cream as well. And this is Rainbow Citrus, Water Lotus, and Wood Sage. I think it is absolutely beautiful. And then I did pick up a body wash to match it as well. So super excited for that one. And that is the first bag. So that was everything that was in that bag. So the 5 candles and then the body care. Now, this bag, super huge. Again, another really big one. But you guys, he had an Matt. Thank you, Matt, by the way. He had 2 boxes, full boxes, guys, of one of my most favorite candles. So he convinced me to go ahead and to buy a box, which is 6 candles. So I got 6 candles of Twisted Peppermint, which smells so good. It is like my favorite. You guys know how much I adore like the body care in Twisted Peppermint. It helps with migraines so much. This is Cool Peppermint, Sugared Snow, Fresh Balsam, and Vanilla Buttercream. And it is stunning. Do you want to smell that one, Mommy? It smells so pretty. So for Christmas, guys, we have one. There's more. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. We have 6 candles of Twisted Peppermint. I think I am good on Twisted Peppermint for Christmas coming up this year. What do you think?
I think so.
I think that we will have enough Twisted Peppermint. But guys, so that was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles and the body care. I am extremely excited. Mama loves to smell them too. She was excited. But guys, that is everything on my epic 75% off Christmas candle and body care haul. Semi-annual sale is still going on. They are having like I think it's like a $2.99 sale currently on hand soaps and wallflowers, I am passing on that sale and seeing if prices go even lower. I am still holding out to see 75% off hand soaps. Once it goes, then I might order some. But guys, that was Mama with me today, and we love you guys so, so much. Thank you for being so supportive and all your comments and all your love. And I hope you guys are still enjoying SAS hauls, because I'm still slowly going on. But guys, me and Mama, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.